Hi students, welcome. In this video, we are going to study about how to use H command in AutoCAD. Students, as you can see, this is the elevation diagram of footstep bearing, and in this I have used here H command. Okay, like this, how we can use this H command in AutoCAD, we are going to study in this video. So students, before starting the video, I would like to request you, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video with your other friends. So students, see here now, we are going to use these two objects to study the how to use H command. For that, as you can see here, this is the symbol of H command. From here we can select the H command, as you can see here. Okay, or you can type a H, as you can see here. When you type the H command, as you can see here, this is H is the short form for H command, then you need to press enter. Okay, so here, as you can see here, H command, it menus or to H command modification tools has been appeared in the above. As you can see here, you need to click on the space where you want the H command. As you can see here, I want this H command in this space, so I am clicking here. Okay, as you can see here, H command has been applied. You can change the here distance between the lines. As you can see here, I have selected this one H command, and I can change the distance from here. This, as you can see here, I am putting here now 10 and pressing enter. As you can see here, it has been modified. Also I can select another number 30. Okay, as you can see here, the pattern angle distance between the lines has been changed. I can change the angle also here. As you can see here, I am pressing here now 45 degree and pressing enter. As you can see here, angle of the lines has been changed. I'm again here keeping it as 0 only, as you can see here, and from this tab I can change the line color of the hatch. As you can see here, I'm selecting now here this green. Okay, and also from this menu you can select any type of hatch here. As you can see here, this is the concrete one, this is another one. Okay, as per your requirement you can select any hatch pattern from this tab. Okay, so after that, after selecting all the hatch related commands or modifying tools, we need to click here on here close hatch creation. Okay, after that you can see here hatch command has been applied. Again I am selecting the hatch and clicking on this circle, as you can see here, on this space, and this time I am selecting here another pattern. Okay, I am selecting here this brick, this concrete pattern. Okay, after that I am here changing the spacing, so I am here clicking 5. Here now selecting 1. See here, pattern has been changed. Here I can change the color also. As you can see here, I have changed the color. Okay, after that we need to close the command, as you can see here, and as you can see here, H command has been applied. So students, in this video we have understood about how to use H command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.